Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokunda here, and today our topic will be connecting models and symbols. So, our objective today is understanding how to use models to divide. So yes, it's a really short objective, probably the shortest one we've had so far. So, we'll be using models today to divide. So, yes, it's really short and it's pretty simple. We're just going to be using models to divide numbers. That's our main thing you need to understand about the objective. We'll just be using models today. So, let's get started. It would be helpful if you have graph paper with you. It's not needed, but when you're using models, it's probably useful. So, I'm going to start off with showing you a problem. So first off, here we have 325 divided by 25. So first off, I'm going to show you what our graphs or models are going to look like. So I'm going to show it to you when doing this question. So we have 325 divided by 25. First, we need to draw 325. So this is going to be 100. So I'm going to draw 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. So that's 100. I have 300 right there. And now we have 25. So I'm going to do 1, that's 10, 20, and then we have 25. Or you can just remove those and just maybe like draw a quarter of this. So that could be 25. Now, so this is just what you need to picture in your head. This is not what you'll be using to solve the problem. This is just something you're going to picture in your head to understand what your problem is going to look like. So, what you actually do on the paper is you're actually going to divide. You're going to write it down, 325 divided by 25. Then you're actually going to start dividing. So 25 times 1 is 25. So then 32 minus 25. So we need to do that. 2 minus 5, not possible. This becomes 12. 3 becomes 2. 12 minus 5 is possible. It's going to be 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we get 7. Now we have a 5, so we bring that down. So we have 75. 25 times 3 equals 75. So 75 minus 75 is 0. So there. Our answer here is 13. So this is pretty much normal division, unless like it actually helps you to picture and imagine these blocks, then I'd say you should draw them out, or you can just picture them in your head. So now let's do another one. Here we have 315 divided by 15. So again, I'm gonna set it up as a block or a graph. So 300, so this is going to be 100, 100, 200. I'm going to do the third one here, so we have more space, 300, and then we have 15, so I'm going to say this is 10. I'm going to actually maybe shade that in different colors so we know that it's something different. That's 10, and then there we go, that's better. Then the next one is going to be 5, so I'm going to do that in a different color too. That's 5. The yellow is 5, the green is 10. So it's just to help you picture it. Now we'll actually do the problem. So we'll just divide it. 315 divided by 15. So this is 15. This the green and yellow part together is 15. And then the whole thing together is 315. So when we divide it, we're just going to do that right now. 15 times 2 is 30. We subtract 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. We have a 5, so we're going to bring that down. So we have 15. Now again, we do 15 times 1 here, and we get 15. We subtract, and we get 0. So our answer here is 21. So now it is problem time. I want you guys to pause the video and try these two problems out yourself. Good luck. Okay, assuming that you tried it out yourself, let's see if you got it right now. So first off, we have 216 divided by 12. So again, what you do is you're gonna draw an array, graph, or whatever you're calling it right now. This time I'm gonna draw it smaller because we don't have much space. So this is gonna be 100, and then we have 200. Now we have 16. So 16, what we can do is we can divide, well, we can put 5 here, and then 5 here. Actually, you know what? Let's just put 10 here. There we go, that's 10. And then we can add 6. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There's our 6. I'm going to shade these in different colors so we know that they're different. And then I'm going to do this one white. There we go. Okay. So now again, we're just going to divide like we normally do. So we will do that. So we're going to do 216. So I'm going to write that down here. There we go. 216 divided by 12. So 12 times 1 is 12. So we're going to write 12 there. There we go. Now we are going to subtract. So we're going to send 1 there. And the 1 becomes 11. Just going to write it there. So now and then the 2 becomes 1. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 1 minus 1 equals, well, 0. So we have 9 left. Now we bring the 6 down. So we have 96. So we know that 12 times 8 equals 96. So we can write 8 there. Then we can subtract 96. So 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So we get a remainder of 0. Sorry about that. So our answer here is going to be 18. Now we have one last problem. We have 375 divided by 15. So again, we're going to draw 375. So this is 100, 200. This time I'm going to split it 50-50 instead of doing 100 on one side. So there's going to be 50 here. You know what? I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So there we go. 50 and then 50. So I'm going to write 50 there so we know for sure how much they are. And these are 100. okay? And then we have a 75, so we're going to do that in a different color. So 75, I'm going to add 50 there. Sorry about that. 50 there. So that's 50. And then add 25 there. So that's about what 375 would look like. So we're going to divide now. This is just used for what you think in your head and stuff. If you want, you can draw it out, but it's mostly just to think in your head. But you can draw it out if you prefer. So first, let's divide. We're going to do 375 divided by 15. I'm going to move it a bit down because we don't have enough space. There we go. So now we know. Now let's divide. 15 times 2 equals 30. So we get 30 there. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have 5. We bring that down. Well, 5, not 9. Sorry about that. So now is 75 in the 15 table? Well, let's think. Yes, 15 times 5 is 75. So we're going to write 5 there, and then we're going to write 75 here, subtract, and get a remainder of 0. So our answer here is going to equal 25. So, did you get both of them right? Well, if you did, great job. If you didn't, it's okay, just keep practicing. At some point, you will get both of them right, or whatever other problem you're doing, you'll get them right. Just keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Take a video.
Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell for more updates on our videos.